Hi everyone, welcome back to CyberChimps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a business hour to your website. Adding business hour to your website increases customer satisfaction and set your business up for success. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll do this in 3 steps. Step 1 is to install and activate responsive add-ons for Elementor plugin. So for that, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to plugins and click on add new plugin. And now here, search for responsive add-ons for Elementor. And when you find this plugin, click on install now and then click activate to activate the plugin. So now responsive add-ons for Elementor has been activated successfully on your website. To use responsive add-ons for Elementor effectively, you also need to install Elementor Page Builder. So make sure to install and activate Elementor Page Builder as well. Now let's go to the step 2, which is to add the business hour widget. Now go to the page or post where you want to add the widget and click on edit with Elementor. So this will take you to the Elementor editor. And now here on the left hand panel, search for RAE business. And when you find this widget, just drag and drop it where you want to add it. This is how the widget will look by default. Now let's go to the step 3, which is to customizing the business hour widget. So now let's start customizing the widget according to our website. So the first setting you'll see under content tab is business hour, and under business hour the first setting is title. So here you can give a title to your business hour, and then you can also change the days and timings of the hours. You can add an item with the add item and delete an item with the X button. If you click here, this will expand and here you will get more settings. So from here you can customize the days, you can change the days and you can change the times as well. And if you enable individual style, so from here you can customize the individual days and hours. You can change the text color from here, you can add border to your days from here. You can change the background type. You can choose between classic and gradient, and you can add border radius, you can add margin from here as well. So I'll quickly add my days and hours and customize it according to my website. So now let's go to the settings tab. So from here you can change the title alignment, and from here you can change the days alignment. From here you can change the time alignment. So once you're done with the alignment, let's go to the style tab. So here the first setting is title, and under title the first setting comes as text color. So from here you can change the title color, you can change the typography. If you want to add a border to your title, you can add from here. Then you get an option as border width. So from here you can add a border width. You can also change border color from here, and you can add border type. You can choose between classic and gradient. So if you click on classic, you get options. So you get these options. You can add a background color. You can also add an image. So if you add an image, to your background, you get all these options as well. You get an option to change the image resolution from here. So from here you can change the position of the image, and under attachment you get 2 options, scroll and fixed. So if you click on scroll, so the image will scroll along with the page, and if you click on fixed, the image will stay fixed even if you're scrolling the page. And under repeat you get these options, and under display side you get these options. And then you can add border radius from here, you can add padding, and you can also add margin to your border. Now let's go to the hour list setting. So from here you can change the text color of your hours, and from here you can change the typography, and you can also change the size from here. And you can also add border type from here if you want. Add background type, you can choose between classic and gradient. So if I click on gradient, these options will appear. So from here I can choose first color, and I can change the first color location from here, and from here I can select a second color and I can change the second color location from here. And under type I get 2 options, linear and radial, and I can also change the angle from here. And I can also add box shadow if I want from here, and customize the box shadow from here. And then from here you can add border radius, you can add padding, and you can set margin. Now let's go to the last setting, which is container. So from here you can set border type, then you can add a border width and change the border color. and you can add background type from here. You can also add an image from here. You can add box shadow and add border radius and padding from here. So once you're done with the customization, go ahead and click on publish and then click on preview changes to see the live changes on your website. So this is how my business ads will appear on my website. So as you saw, business ad widget has a lot of options, so go ahead and play along with these options and customize it according to your website. And that's how you can easily add business ad widget to your website. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please drop them down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.